Hello everyone, welcome to another Power BI related tutorial by Slidescope. In this video, we are learning about how to display HTML content inside Power BI. So go to appsource.microsoft.com website. There you will find this HTML content visual, which you can download the visual from here. You can get it now. It will ask you to enter your email ID. From here you can get the visual, and this visual supports HTML in your Power BI reports. So let's say we have a sample Power BI report here, and in this report we want to show an image from a URL. So this is a very simple demonstration. So here what you have to do, go there, click on get more visuals or import a visual from a file. So if you have got the visual file, you can import the visual, or you will click here, sign in with your email, and you can get the visual. Once you have got the visual, it will appear here as HTML content. Now just drag the visual here. It will show you some data like this. Okay. So here how can we show the images, and how can we style our, or how can we show anything that is written in HTML, and how can we style it? So for that we will just go to modeling tab and create a measure. We will call this measure as my logo. Let's say I want to display my company's logo here. So I will just write my logo. On this website, I have my logo available here. This is one of the website. Let's say we want to show this logo. So we will simply copy image address from here. Now on this image address, this logo will be visible because it is image 100 by 100 PNG file. Now you can start writing your HTML code. So inside my logo, write double quotes, because your HTML is going to be a string value, and here create the, or write image tag here. So I am writing image tag img src is equal to, and here I will put the logo, but you have to make sure the attributes that you are writing, so you have to use single quotes, because you have already used double quotes here, so you cannot reuse double quotes. So here we will simply paste the logo file, and when you will click OK, so now this measure will be created. Now this measure is created inside the country flags folder, and in here inside the visual we will simply drag this image. Let's try to drag it in the value. Now you will see, we will start seeing the image that we copied from there. And this particular visual basically supports every HTML tag. And here what we are going to do, let's give our HTML tag a class, like class is equal to logo. And then we will go to format visual, where we will go to sheet, and here we are going to define the style sheet for our class. So we'll write logo, and here let's write a simple CSS. You can also write dynamic CSS, like you can change the property of your image on the basis of some value change. That is something that we are going to cover later. Here it's just the introduction part. So here let's say we will write width 200 pixel, and now you can see the width has increased. So it totally accepts the style also. Let's say after this tag we want to display some list items. So let's say UL, and here we will display some list items LI. So we are using the unordered list here. We can, let's say we want to show some list URLs or whatever you want to show. Let's say Python, Java, etc. And here let's click And here you can also try writing heading tags inside this. So you can see the heading, by writing heading tag, the font size also increases. So this is just a introduction of how you can write HTML inside Power BI. Obviously, with the help of this, we can see examples where we can create, dynamic map charts. There are various tooltips like this that you can generate from here, and you can create variables, and then with the help of country flag URL. So the country flag URL is selecting the country flag value dynamically. So here what is happening, so here you can see we are using the img height is equal to 20, src is equal to data image png base, and we are simply concatenating the country flags base 64 image here. Okay, so we are concatenating that, and with the help of that we are finding this data, and here the granularity is given as country. So obviously more examples like this will be covered in more detailed tutorials. So please subscribe to our channel. When we will be, upload that video, you will get a notification. So we are creating some better dashboards with the help of this data, and we are going to select many more dynamic data values with the help of HTML tags.